When factoring difficult types of polynomials, there's a trick. Take the outer two terms, multiply them together, and in this case you get 18. We need to look at the factors of 18, that is the numbers that multiply to give you 18, that subtract to give you 3. It looks like 3 and 6. So bring down your 2x squared term, bring down your negative 9 on the outer edge. But then you need to take the 3 and 6 and create a term that replaces the negative 3 in the middle. That'll be negative 6x and 3x. Now, when you group the terms in two pairs, you can factor out a 2x from the first pair and a 3 from the second. That gives you 2x times x minus 3 and 3 times x minus 3. And as you can see, x minus 3 is a common factor, so it can factor out. And that gives you your answer, x minus 3 times 2x plus 3. Let's look at another example. We don't just have to use x all the time. How about w? It doesn't matter what the letter is. Take 3 and 8, and that gives you 24. The factors of 24 that subtract to give you 2 are 4 and 6. So let's break it down. Bring down your w squared term and your negative 8 on the outer side, and combine the 4 and 6 to give you the negative 2w in the middle. Pair the two groups, factor out your 3w, factor out a 4, and you get w minus 2 that now factors out, and what remains is the other factor, 3w plus 4.